Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of Wabi-Sabi, a Japanese concept that's all about finding beauty in imperfection. It's like a breath of fresh air in a world that's always chasing perfection. So, what exactly is Wabi-Sabi? Well, it's a philosophy deeply rooted in living with humility, simplicity, and a strong connection to nature. The idea is to embrace the natural life cycle of things, flaws and all, seeing those imperfections as part of the charm. Now, bringing the essence of Wabi-Sabi into your home is like creating a masterpiece. It's not about perfection, but about embracing the imperfect with a sense of tranquility and authenticity. And guess what? We've got some experts on board to guide you through this journey of turning your living space into a haven of imperfect beauty. First up, let's talk about embracing intentionality in home decor. Wabi-Sabi encourages a mindful approach to decorating. Forget about following trends or chasing after perfection. Instead, go for items that tell your personal story. Choose simple, meaningful pieces that bring a calm and authentic vibe to your space. Think natural materials and textures that speak volumes about the beauty of life's impermanence. Now, let's romanticize everyday items. It's all about turning the ordinary into something extraordinary. Love that worn-out chair or the mug with a few battle scars. Embrace it. Celebrate the unique character that evolves over time. By appreciating the stories behind your possessions, you're living and breathing the principles of Wabi-Sabi. It's about connecting to the imperfect beauty that's all around you. Next, cultivate simplicity and humility. Wabi-Sabi invites us to appreciate the beauty of simplicity, to clutter your space and make room for things that bring you joy and purpose. Remember, possessions, just like life, are in constant flux. Adopt a mindset of humility and understand that true beauty lies in the unadorned and unpretentious aspects of your home. A simplified environment sets the stage for practicing Wabi-Sabi. And of course, connect with nature. This is at the heart of Wabi-Sabi. Bring in natural elements like plants, stones, or wooden accents. Nature's imperfections become a testament to the authentic beauty of the world around us. Let the seasons ebb and flow within your living space, creating a harmonious relationship with the environment and instilling a sense of tranquility. The Beauty of Imperfections. Lei, an expert in Wabi-Sabi living, encourages us to see the beauty in imperfections. In this philosophy, small chips, breaks, or stains are not to be worried about. Instead, they become marks that tell a story. These imperfections add character, depth, and a unique charm to the objects around us, fostering a sense of tranquility and a profound appreciation for the journey of life. Favorite pieces. Lei shares some of her favorite pieces that epitomize the essence of Wabi-Sabi living. Unglazed raw pottery takes center stage, showcasing the beauty of simplicity and the natural textures of the earth. Stone bowls and planters carry a timeless appeal, with each crack and blemish contributing to their individual narratives. Olive jars with broken handles become treasures, reflecting the philosophy that even broken things can hold immense value. Polished brass or copper pieces are cherished for their ability to acquire a patina over time. This transformation is not seen as deterioration, but as an evolution, a visual representation of the passage of time and the stories embedded in the metal. Large branches, foraged from the outdoors, become artful additions, connecting the home to nature and highlighting the impermanence and beauty of the changing seasons. Living the Wabi-Sabi lifestyle. Embracing Wabi-Sabi goes beyond decor. It's a lifestyle that encourages a mindful appreciation for the present moment and a deep connection to the things that matter. Lei's favorite pieces serve as inspiration to look beyond perfection and celebrate the unique qualities that make each object, and indeed each moment, special. Wabi-Sabi living invites us to redefine our perception of beauty, urging us to see the value in imperfections. Lei's cherished pieces, with their unglazed pottery, cracked bowls, and weathered branches, offer a glimpse into a world where flaws are not flaws at all, but pathways to serenity and a richer understanding of life. So let's embrace the imperfect, appreciate the beauty in each small flaw, and embark on a journey of wabi-sabi living that celebrates the extraordinary within the ordinary. The Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi offers a breath of fresh air. It's all about embracing the imperfect and finding beauty in things that have meaning, rather than pursuing flawlessness. Imagine an unmade bed, a cracked ceramic pot, or a piece of furniture with a few chips and stains. According to Wabi-Sabi, these imperfections are not flaws.